friends, Daxin here. Today in this video, I'll be doing a teardown of my new deep tissue massage gun from Caresmith. And before doing a teardown, let me do a quick review of this product. Here, as you can see that the packing of this product is really premium, and the massage gun is also made from really good high quality plastic with rubberized coating all over it. The in-hand feeling of this massage gun is really great, and it comes with a touchscreen display at its back for adjusting its speed levels and all. And here, as you can see that it's really responsive to my touches even though I was wearing gloves. The noise which this massage gun produces is really low when compared to other massage guns at this price point. It comes with 6 attachments like ball head, fork head, thumb and flat heads and all. And I really like using this ball head as it's really comfortable for me. It can really help in breaking down scar tissues and relaxing tight muscles and all. And the stall force that this massage gun produces is also really great. It's really hard to stop this massage gun while at high speeds and all. It has 20 speed levels and can produce up to 3300 strokes per minute, which is really great for a massage gun at this price point. And I got this product for about rupees 4400 on a limited day sale in Amazon, and I think at this price point it's really value for money when compared to big brands like Hypervolt, Theragun and all, which really costly, and this massage gun has similar feature to that. And that's all about the review of this product. Now let's start the teardown. about the teardown of this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel, share it with your friends, like, and if you have any doubts or any suggestions, feel free to comment them down in the comment sections below. And yeah, thanks again, guys. See you later.